Hello friends, we are back with our promised topic, Robotic Process Automation, which is widely known as RPA. In today's digital world, helping people to navigate to financial confidence requires a fundamental shift. It's difficult to continually address the challenges in the current digital environment. Work areas are more workloaded and burdened with bulk, repetitive, and time-consuming processes. Let's understand this with the example of account opening. Earlier, for account opening, people have to visit the branch and complete formalities. But now time has been changed. They only need to submit their KYCs and other relevant details, and accounts are opened instantly. If we visit the process involved for the account opening, there are many such as client details and address verification, affordability validation, employment details verification, and many more. To process account opening request can take significant time, and banks can miss the opportunity to have the clients. Therefore, we need to understand what clients need. They need reduced cost, improved delivery, and consistency. And all of this can be addressed through RPA or Robotic Process Automation. Today we are going to discuss about what is RPA, why RPA, implementation methodology, RPA applications, guidelines and best practices for RPA implementation. RPA is an acronym of Robotic Process Automation, where robotics refers to a software board which mimics the human actions over bulk, repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Process stands for logical sequence of steps which leads meaningful activity or tasks. Automation indicates automatic tasks or activities execution without human intervention. What is RPA? Robotics Process Automation facilitates organizations to automate work using artificial intelligence and machine learning, which are done by human beings across various applications and systems. RPA is more than a trend. It gives different way to think about how business process solutions delivered and managed with ease. RPA transfers the process execution from humans to software. These software boards can interact with in-house applications, websites and user portals, etc. RPA is a software program which runs on end users' computers, laptop or mobile device. It is a sequence of commands which are executed by bots under some defined set of business rules. RPA gives virtual workforce for the seamless and efficient delivery. Let's discuss why RPA. Business needs keep on changing based on the time, market trend, and other factors. Thus, organizations need to evolve to stay competent, grow, and relevant. There are 4 factors which needs to be balanced by organizations: products, customer, sales, and marketing. RPA has numerous benefits, but we are broadly categorizing it into the following. Quality. It provides ability to create a full audit trail. It also reduces compliance and business risks. RPA helps in eliminating human error. Delivery. It reduces 40% of average handling time. It enhances customer experience. It also makes business more resilient and operational excellence. Cost. It reduces processing costs significantly from 30 to 80%. It also drives return on investment in quarters versus years. Implementation ease. It does not require any technical expertise. Now we will discuss about different methodologies of RPA implementation. RPA implementation consists of 4 phases. First phase is planning. In planning phase, user identify processes which needs to be automated. Planning phase can be divided into following stages. Stage 1, process identification. Below checklist, will be helpful to identify whether process can be automated or not. Is the process manual and repetitive? Is the process rule-based? The input data is in electronic format and readable? Can existing system be used as it is with no change? Stage 2. Set up project team. Setting up implementation timelines and approach. Stage 3. Agreement on solution design to perform RPA processes. Stage 4. Identify error logging mechanism to report issues with running bots. Stage 5. Defining clear roadmap to scale up RPA implementation. Second phase is development. In development phase, users develop automation workflows as per agreed plan. Here we can provide you a tip. Using wizard-driven, the implementation is quick. Third phase is testing. In testing phase, users run testing iterations for the in-scope automation to identify issues and corrective actions. Fourth phase is support and maintenance. This phase provides continuous support after once RPA automation is done and going live. It helps on faster defect resolution. It gives general maintenance guidelines with roles and responsibilities with business and IT support teams. Now we will discuss various applications of RPA. RPA is applicable in many industry segments. Number 1, healthcare, patients registration and billing. Number 2, HR, new employee joining formalities, payroll process, hiring shortlisted candidates. Number 3, insurance, premium information and claims processing and clearance. Number 4, manufacturing and retail, bills of materials and calculations of sales. Number 5, telecom, service order management and quality reporting. Number 6, travel and logistics, ticket booking, passenger details and accounting. Number 7, government, address update and license renewal. Number 8, infrastructure, issue processing, account setup and communication. Number 9, banking and financial services, card activations, customer demographics update and claims. Now lastly, we will discuss guidelines and best practices for RPA implementation. Business impact should be analyzed before opting RPA process. Return of investment should be defined and focus on target return of investment. Larger groups should be considered first and focus on automating large impactful processes. Attended and unattended RPA should be combined. Inappropriate and poor design and change management should be ignored as these can create havoc. Analyze RPA impact on people. Project governance policy, corporate and government compliance should be adhered in RPA process. Thank you for watching this video. Next we will bring RPA tools for you. If you like it, then please give us thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that when we post a new video, you will get a notification. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.